guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's my life with Neha. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So आज है यहाँ पे Thursday and I got up, got all ready today morning because I have a long day ahead of me. So आज का मेरा plan क्या क्या है? First and foremost cooking. Second thing is I have to clean up my patio because आज का मौसम बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, so I need to take care of my patio. So the second thing will be that. The third thing will be to finish a load of laundry, and yeah, that's all that I need to work on today. And yeah, even I need to head out for a walk because the weather is so nice outside. So yes, अब ज़्यादा बातचीत में टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं and let's get to work. Okay, so मैं आ चुकी हूँ किचन में एंड कुकिंग में आज मैंने बनाया था राइस एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई मेड टुडे वाज सम chicken curry. As you can see, I made it in the instant pot and it turned out to be amazing. And yeah, मैंने ये दोनों बनाया. Then I even had some chole from last night. I just made some roti and we are all set for today. Lately मैंने अपने instant pot में मैं बहुत cooking कर रही हूँ आजकल because it has made my life so much easier. So if you guys wanted to see a video in which I will be sharing with you all like all the instant pot recipes मैंने जो try किया है, तो please let me know in the comment section below. I'll make sure to make a video on that because instant pot में it has made my life so much easier. So yes, हमारा पहला काम complete हो चुका है, that is cooking. Now the next thing that I need to tackle today is to take care of my patio. So let's get to it. Okay you guys, so I'll show you guys today's project that I have to work on is my patio. So as you all can see, this is the condition of my patio right now. But just look at the colors outside, you guys. It looks amazing, isn't it? So yes, I have to take care of my patio today and just make it look good because हम लोगों को यहाँ मूव हुए हुए 2 months हो चुके हैं, बट मैंने ये पैटियो अपना टेक केयर नहीं किया है. सो मुझे आज ये करना है एंड जितना भी सामान है आई हैव टू पुट इट इनसाइड द स्टोरेज हियर. So yeah, that's what I will be working on today. So let's get started. Okay you guys, so this is how the after looks like and as you can see मैंने ये शेल्फ यहाँ पे लगा दिया क्योंकि मेरा स्टोरेज ऑलमोस्ट फुल हो चुका था. So yeah, इसमें मैंने सारे अपने विंटर शूज़ रखे हैं, वहाँ पे मैंने अपने सारे एक और रखे हैं and everything else is all empty. इधर पे ये ट्रैश है. So yeah, this is how my patio turned out to be. So yes, मैंने जैसा कि आप लोगों को शो किया कि मेरे पैटियो का काम फिनिश हो चुका है. As you can see here a sneak peek, it looks so amazing right now. I cannot even explain. हमें यहाँ मूव हुए हुए 2 months से ऊपर हो चुका है and this patio thing was making me so crazy, but finally मैंने सारा सामान adjust कर दिया and everything has its place right now and I am so relieved right now. So yes, मेरा वो काम हो चुका है. अभी बस हम finish करेंगे अपना lunch and after that I will be heading out to the park for a walk. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after having my lunch. So you guys, लंच में हमने खाया चिकन एंड राइस. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कि मैं कितनी बार कुक करती हूँ चिकन, बट मेरे घर में सबको चिकन बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड सिंस रात के छोले भी थे तो इसीलिए मुझे सब्ज़ी की टेंशन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. सो इसीलिए हमारा आज का लंच बहुत ही सिंपल एंड सोबर था. सो यस, वो हो चुका है. एंड व्हाई इज़ दिस हेयर स्टिकिंग आउट? आई डोंट लाइक टू टाई माई हेयर, बट सिंस मेरा हेयर इतना ज़्यादा कर्ली था तो इसीलिए आई जस्ट नीड टू to tie it up, otherwise it will coming on in my face. So yes, lunch हो चुका है. अभी I'll be heading out for a walk because फिर शाम होते होते बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है. So अभी चलते हैं. Let's go out for a walk and I'll show you guys the amazing park that I go to because it is amazing, you guys, especially the sunset because the time is now 4 o'clock and 4:30, 4:45 के अराउंड होता है sunset. So I'll show you guys कि वहाँ sunset कैसा होता है. Let's head out and I'll show you guys the park. So I'm here at the park and I'll show you guys how the park looks like because अभी sunset होना start हुआ है and it looks amazing. So this is how it looks like. So yes, let's go and finish our 2 miles.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be.
Okay, you guys, just look at this. Isn't it looking so amazing? एक तरफ ये fall colors, एक तरफ sunset, lake. This place it's awesome. Okay, you guys, so मेरा यहाँ पे 1 mile complete होता है and just look at this place. It looks amazing out here and the best part is कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. As you can see here, somebody is coming right now. So yeah, now I'll have to go back to my car. So yeah, let's go. फॉल में ऐसे वॉक में आने का सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा इसलिए भी आता है क्योंकि आपको इतने अच्छे कलर्स मिलते हैं देखने को एंड या इट लुक्स सो गुड एंड स्पेशली जब मौसम इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा हो तो और भी अच्छा लगता है. सो या आई एम सो हैप्पी कि आई केम आउट एंड आई गॉट टू विटनेस लाइक दिस अमेजिंग कलर्स. सो आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो क्योंकि आई एम श्योर कि आप लोगों को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा होगा ये कलर्स. सो या लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. And I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. Spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. With you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sun.
Okay, you guys. सो फाइनली मैंने अपना 2 miles फिनिश कर लिया है एंड आई एम ऑल सेट टू हेड बैक होम. And as you guys have seen, it was so amazing out there and it was fabulous. It was amazing. This park is so huge. Total इसका जो loop है it is around 4 miles. So मैं हर दिन आती हूँ, इसका 1 mile करती हूँ and then I come back with the same 1 mile. So every day मैं इस lake का थोड़ा थोड़ा loop explore कर रही हूँ. So every day I'll share with you guys like some new pieces of this park because this park is so amazing and I've heard कि इसका fall colors भी बहुत amazing होता है. So let me know in the comment section कि आपको आज का ये fall colors का tour कैसा लगा जो मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाया. So yes, अभी टाइम हो चुका है 5:07 and I need to head back home. So yeah, अभी चलते हैं घर and then I'll catch you guys later. अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ आयुष को लेके कुमोन और उसे मैंने अभी बस कुमोन ड्रॉप किया है and कुमोन के पास है there is a dollar store. So I have some time in my hand, so I just thought of going in and checking inside dollar store if they have some amazing good things or not. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत लंबा टाइम हो गया है यहाँ आए हुए since आयुष का सारा क्लासेस वगैरह सब स्टॉप था और आइदर दे वर गोइंग ऑन ऑनलाइन, तो इसीलिए मेरा कोई स्टोर्स में आना जाना सब स्टॉप था. बट फाइनली ही स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू कुमोन इन पर्सन. सो येस, आई हैव सम टाइम. आई विल बी हेडिंग इनसाइड डॉलर स्टोर एंड आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग यू गाइज अलॉन्ग विथ मी and sharing with you guys if they have some new things or not. ऐसे तो mostly सारे item पुराने ही होते हैं but like recently I have seen कि they have some amazing things, so I'll show you if I find something new and helpful to you guys. I'll share with you. So yeah, let's go. So while entering Dollar Tree, the first section where I came into is this craft section. मैंने इसके पहले ये section कभी भी नहीं देखा था and I found some really interesting pieces here. आप इसे लेके अपने मनपसंद कलर से पेंट कर सकते हो and it will look amazing. As for example, like this pineapple, this one will be such a cute brush holder or pencil holder in your kids study table. And all these stickers, you guys, like पहले मैंने बस एक ही तरह के stickers देखे थे but today I found all these stickers and just look at this, it looks amazing. I just love like this color combination and especially हमारे Indian decor के साथ ये कितना अच्छा लगेगा. I just cannot wait to incorporate all of these items in my house. I'm just really inspired with these stickers over here. And after this I found a few more pieces of sticker. As for example, like this, wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere. And like this one is so apt right now. And I even found this laundry room sign, wash, fold, dry, repeat. So I think that this one will be so good if you stick it on a photo frame and you can use it in your laundry room. And this camera stickers, it looked amazing. Like इतने अच्छे stickers मुझे मिले and everything is for like $1. It was unbelievable. Then I came to the candle section and just look at this container, you guys. If you want to keep it on your countertop, kitchen countertop, it will look amazing. If you want to keep it on your vanity, it will look amazing. I'm like really inspired with all these color schemes to incorporate some colors in my house. So we'll see how everything will turn out to be. I'm just taking some inspiration with all these pieces here, and since everything was only for like $1, so I'm like really inspired to make some changes around my house and incorporate all these cute little pieces here and there in my house. And just look at these, all this Eiffel Tower, these small houses and these small pyramids, and the color scheme in these, like this white, mint, gray, and all these like jewelry holder And just look at this cute flamingo, you guys. That look amazing, isn't it? Like today I found some amazing things over here, and like its color scheme, all these things were amazing. I absolutely loved all of these items. And then I'm here in the cleaning section, and I found all these removable dusting mops and these Swiffer pads here, and all of these were only for $1, and आप इसे लेके all these are interchangeable, and आप इसे wash कर सकते हो, आप इसे फिर से use कर सकते हो. These will come in so handy because अगर आप Swiffer use करते हो तो those are really expensive, and उसके जो heads होते हैं replaceable होते हैं, and they are also really expensive. So if you want to get some replaceable ones, I would highly suggest you guys to try from here. And then I came to the tablecloth section, and they had some cute little pieces like these prints. ये तो color schemes मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and especially this blue one, I absolutely loved this. And they had some like neon and floral prints as well, and they even have like those table runners over here. If you are interested in those, you can check it out. And this kitchen towel, you guys, it looks so cute. It says roll with it, and in your kitchen it will look so adorable, isn't it? And then I came to the doormat section, and just look at this print, you guys. मैंने ये कभी नहीं देखा. This is the first time I'm seeing this here, and this one, it will look so good, and only for $1. I think like the quality was really good, and it was not thin at all. It was a really high quality one, and I think it will hold up really good. And I was really tempted to get a few for my house, but somehow आज मुझे कुछ भी खरीदने का मन नहीं था. मैं सोच के गई थी कि मैं कुछ नहीं खरीदूंगी, इसलिए मैंने कुछ नहीं परचेज किया. And then I am here at the bathroom section, and all these soap dispensers, and just look at the color schemes, you guys. I just loved everything, like this white and gray combination, especially like the shape of it, it looks so good. And this black and white combination, and this white and blue combination, it looked so good. I think today I found some amazing things over here in dollar store. Please let me know how do you guys found today's video. सो येस, मेरा डॉलर स्टोर का काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है. मैंने बस थोड़े बहुत आइटम्स मैंने चेक किए, बट मुझे कुछ लेना नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने कुछ नहीं लिया. आई केम आउट एम्प्टी हैंडेड, बट या दे हैड सम अमेजिंग थिंग्स टुडे, एंड दे हैव एडेड अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स. बट मुझे स्टोरेज, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, ये सब के कुछ आइटम्स चाहिए थे, बट वो सब कुछ मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं लगा. ऑल ऑफ the things that they had, मेरे पास वो सब already है पहले से. but decor wise they had some really good things. मुझे जो थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें अच्छी लगी वो थी उसके mats and all, वो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा, especially for the price. so yeah, but आज मैंने नहीं लिया because I was not in the mood to purchase anything today, so maybe next time. yes, अभी आयुष का कुमोन complete हो चुका होगा, so अभी चलते हैं उसे pick करते हैं, and after that we'll head back home. Hi guys, so I just came back home a little while ago, and हमारा खाना पीना डिनर कंप्लीट हो चुका है क्योंकि मैंने सारी कुकिंग आफ्टरनून में ही फिनिश कर ली थी. so I don't need to worry about cooking and all right now. so हम बस खाना पीना हमने खा लिया है. अभी बस मुझे 2 और काम करने बाकी है. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ कि आई हैव टू एडिट टुमारो वीडियो, एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज़ कि आई हैव टू क्लीन द किचन. सो येस, अभी मैं बस आके आई एम जस्ट stuck to the TV right now because क्योंकि अभी प्रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्शन का काउंटिंग चल रहा है अभी, एंड इट इज़ लाइक सो on the edge. पता नहीं क्या होगा, who will win, who will lose, but yeah, it is so nerve-wracking right now. अगर आप लोग को भी ऐसा ही लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो हाउ आर यू गाइज फीलिंग अबाउट दिस election this year. Please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that was how my day looked like today. हर दिन मेरा ऐसा नहीं होता, कभी कभी मैं इतना ज़्यादा लेज़ी फील करती हूँ कि मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती, बट कभी कभी आई फील सो एनर्जेटिक कि मैं इतने सारे काम मैं अकम्प्लिश कर लेती हूँ कि मुझे खुद यकीन नहीं होता कि मैंने इतना सारा काम आज अकम्प्लिश कर लिया. एज़ फॉर एग्जाम्पल टुडे मैंने आज अपना पैटियो क्लीन किया, आई वेंट फॉर अ वॉक, I used to come on, I took a shower, I got ready and all those things. I even cooked. अभी मुझे क्लीनिंग करनी है, मैं वीडियो एडिट करूँगी. सो या एज यू हैव सीन इतना सारा काम था आज मुझे, बट कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे लिटरली कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं करता. एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द वेदर हाउ इट इज़ ऑन दैट डे. एंड सो या सिंस आज का मौसम अच्छा था, सो आई हैड द एनर्जी टू फिनिश ऑल दोज थिंग्स एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट आई finished all these things, so that I'm relieved for a few days now. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification icon so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.